All right, guys, welcome back. And we got another quick tip on plastic welding. You need a zip tie, a soldering iron. I got this butane snap-on soldering iron from a friend who gave it to us. And what we're gonna do is fix these little clips. As you can see, I already done 1, 2, 3 repairs, and now they're solid on the door. And you'll see down here, there's still a couple more that are broken down here. So what we have to do is make this hole large. You're gonna put your hand underneath it where it's supposed to be, and you're gonna just go in, and you're gonna pay attention to where you're melting. Don't try to go through the plastic, like your bottom layer. All we're trying to do is make this hole larger. There you go. And we're gonna make this hole nice and large. We're gonna start feeding a lot of plastic in here. And what we wanna do too is scrape the bottom of that part. And now we're gonna start feeding plastic in here. And we're gonna start melting this. Ooh, that's hot. And as we feed it in, we're gonna build a plastic layer. And the goal is to get as much of this nylon in here. It smells, so make sure you have a ventilated area. And you kind of want to dig this in. And then as you keep going in, just keep feeding more and more of this nylon in there. And then you're going to push down on it, and you're going to heat this all up. And the goal is to mix all this stuff together, blend in on this guy, and squish. If the bond was good, it'll work. If not, you're just gonna rinse and repeat the entire process until you get a good bond with your plastic. It's still melting, so. And you're gonna rinse and repeat that until it adheres. A good example, here it is. Here's this guy, no longer moving, no longer moving, no longer moving over here. Pretty much the door panel is almost fully repaired. I just gotta do 1, 2 more of these guys and we're done.